Mastering Incremental Detailing, a structured approach to prompt engineering. Introduction. In the fast-evolving world of AI and productivity, achieving consistent and high-quality results can be a challenge, especially when dealing with complex or repetitive tasks. Incremental detailing is a method designed to tackle this by guiding users through a structured, iterative process. It helps clarify objectives, create well-defined structures, and refine content for better accuracy and engagement. Whether you're developing software, writing reports, or designing marketing campaigns, this approach can streamline your workflow and improve your outcomes. In this post, we'll break down how incremental detailing works, how to write prompts to guide the process, and how you can apply it to prompt engineering and beyond. Writing prompts for incremental detailing. The power of incremental detailing lies in how the prompts are designed. Each prompt serves a unique purpose in guiding the AI through the three stages: the master plan, the structure, and the detailed refinement. Here's how to approach each stage. Prompt 1, creating the master plan, used once. This is the foundational prompt that guides the user to define their overall project goal. The key to writing this prompt is to focus on the questions that the AI needs to ask to get a complete understanding of the project. Since this prompt is used only once, it can be comprehensive, capturing all essential details about the scope, target audience, objectives, and constraints. Example: please ask me a series of questions to help clarify the overall objective of this project, including what I hope to achieve, the main stakeholders, the timeline, and any critical success factors. Also, consider the key challenges I might face and what resources are available. Prompt 2, structuring the project, used once. Once the master plan is established, the next prompt focuses on creating the project's structure or artifacts, even if at a low level of detail. This is where the AI helps outline the key components, sections, or phases. The goal here is not to dive into specifics, but to create a clear roadmap that will guide the next stage of detailing. This prompt is also used only once, but it will generate a flexible structure that can be iterated upon. Example: based on the project goal, outline the main components or sections needed to achieve this objective. Please include any key milestones, deliverables, and relevant stakeholders for each section. Provide a broad framework that we can later detail. Prompt 3, recursive detailing, used repeatedly. The final prompt is the most dynamic and is used recursively. It guides the AI to fill in each section or project artifact with specific details. This is where you refine each component iteratively, focusing on adding examples, refining data, and polishing the output. It's important that this prompt allows for continued iteration so that every aspect of the project is fully developed. Example: for each section of the project structure, ask detailed questions or provide suggestions to refine the content. Continue iterating until we have a fully fleshed out deliverable, adjusting as needed based on feedback. Using these prompts in the incremental detailing process. With these three prompts in hand, you can now guide the AI through the full incremental detailing process. The method unfolds as follows: defining the overall idea, crafting the master plan. Using the first prompt, the user works with the AI to define the overall project goal. This master plan is essential for ensuring that the project is aligned with the intended outcomes. Whether it's a blog post, software development task, or marketing campaign, clarifying the broad strokes at this stage is crucial. Creating the basic structure, laying the foundation with stubs. The second prompt creates the project's framework or structure. This step helps break down the master plan into manageable parts, creating a roadmap for further detailing. These stubs can include headings for a blog post, phases for a project, or sections in a report. This outline sets the stage for iterative refinement. Iterating to fill in details, refining the content. The final prompt, which is used recursively, guides the user through refining each section or artifact in detail. At this stage, the AI iteratively prompts for further information, adds depth, and polishes the output. This ensures that the final product is complete, accurate, and meets the project's requirements. Examples of incremental detailing in action. Incremental detailing can be applied to various scenarios beyond prompt engineering: event planning, Start by defining the event's vision, master plan, outline key components like venue and catering, stubs, and iteratively refine each detail from the menu to the guest list. Report writing. Begin by clarifying the report's purpose and scope, master plan, outline sections like methodology and findings, stubs, and then use iterative detailing to develop each section with data and analysis. Marketing campaigns. First, define the campaign goals, master plan, structure channels and tactics, stubs, and refine each aspect iteratively with content, messaging, and timelines. Tips for effective prompt engineering using incremental detailing. Maintain flexibility. While structure is important, prompts should remain adaptable, allowing room for exploration and adjustments as the project evolves. Emphasize iteration. Iteration is key. Encourage multiple rounds of feedback and refinement to ensure high-quality output. Use open-ended questions. Prompts should promote dialogue, encouraging the user to provide more information that the AI can use to refine and improve the final product. Common pitfalls to avoid. Skipping the planning phase. Without a clear master plan, projects can lack direction. Invest time in properly defining the scope and objectives upfront. Rigid or overly specific prompts. Prompts that are too prescriptive can limit creativity and adaptability. Ensure your prompts allow for flexible thinking and dynamic responses. Underestimating the value of iteration. The first draft is rarely the final output. Make iteration a central part of your workflow for continuous improvement. How I created this blog post in collaboration with AI using incremental detailing. The blog post you're reading was created using the same principles of incremental detailing that we've outlined. Here's a breakdown of how we worked collaboratively with AI to produce this content. Master Plan Prompt 1. We started by defining the overall goal of the blog post. The first prompt helped clarify the purpose, to introduce readers to incremental detailing as a structured method for prompt engineering. We discussed the key sections to include, such as an introduction, a detailed breakdown of the method, and examples of use cases. Structuring the post, prompt 2. After defining the master plan, we used the second prompt to create the framework. This involved outlining sections like the introduction, 3-step method, examples, and tips. These headings provided a structure that guided us through the rest of the content creation process. Detailing each section, prompt 3. Finally, we iterated through each section using a recursive prompt to add depth and detail. We refined the examples, clarified tips for effective prompting, and ensured each section flowed logically. This process of iteration ensured that the blog post was comprehensive, well-organized, and addressed key points clearly. The collaborative process between human and AI allowed for continuous refinement at every stage. Incremental detailing helped us stay focused and structured, ensuring that the final output met its objective. Conclusion. Incremental detailing is a powerful tool for enhancing prompt engineering and project management. By following a structured approach that encourages clarity, iteration, and flexibility, you can produce more consistent and high-quality results across various fields. Whether you're working on creative tasks, technical projects, or even planning an event, the principles of incremental detailing can help you stay organized and focused. Start incorporating this approach into your workflow and see how it transforms the way you handle complex tasks.